Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba. Molweni bethuna ndiyabulisa ndicela into which is a Xhosa greeting that literally translates to hi, hello everybody. Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba. Yep, first video number one. So the word that we're doing today is a very interesting Xhosa word called Intsente. Now, for those who don't know, Intsente is a pile of filth that builds up and develops as a layer of dirt on all Xhosa people's skin. This disgusting toxicity develops as a result of not bathing. When you don't wash, you develop Intsente. Every Xhosa person knows this, and every Xhosa person develops this when they don't wash, especially if you don't wash and you do a lot of iskagamfu. Iskagamfu is something you do with the river. Xhosa people know, if you grew up in any village, iskagamfu happens at the river. We're iskagamfing there, that's what iskagamfu is, and it's a major cause of Intsente if you don't bath. Now, Intsente usually grows in the heel area of your feet. We call this area Isthende. That's where Intsente usually grows, and it has a very naughty cousin who's called, this cousin is called AmaXhosa. Very disgusting, but not more disgusting than Intsente. Intsente can usually grow as well. It can also grow in the butt cheeks dividing area of your ass. We call that place umsintsila. That's the worst place to grow Intsente, especially for the ladies. Sis. That's Intsente. And removing Intsente is quite a process. Any Xhosa person will tell you. Removing Intsente is a process because it requires the use of two very widely used African instruments. These instruments, we call them the first one is called iRhwatyityi. iRhwatyityi is the hell out of Intsente, that thing. The second one is called ilitye, lolola. It's a beautiful golden stone that removes all stains in a Xhosa person's body. It's called ilitye, lolola. Number one when it comes to removing Intsente. It makes your body shine. And that's Intsente. Pronouncing Intsente is very easy. Intsente. Again. Intsente. Or one more time. Intsente. That's all. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. I'm Kolping Mbumba. Until next time.